and welcome back. As you can see from the title, in today's video I'll be showing you what is in my Body Shop beauty kit. So first off, you get your invitations. So you can create your own Body Shop party and show all your friends and family the products, and then they can buy the products from you in that party. And then we have the customer order form pad, and we also have their 2020 catalogues. And then the products that we have inside are the Camomile eye makeup remover. This eye makeup remover is soothing and gentle, and it is suitable for sensitive skin and eyes, and it is one of the best selling products. We have the Himalayan Charcoal mask. This is personally one of my favourite products. This face mask unclogs, purifies and exfoliates the skin. The texture of this face mask is like mud, but after applying it to the face, it leaves the skin feeling cleansed and smooth. This is the most popular face mask since 2017. The Aloe Calming Face Wash. This is a soap and alcohol free face wash. It leaves the skin feeling clean, soothe and soft, and it's perfect for people with sensitive skin. My favourites is the Vitamin E Moisture Cream. This is a very nourishing and lightweight daily cream. This rich and creamy moisturiser leaves the skin feeling moisturised for 48 hours. Also leaves the skin feeling very soft. The range was that popular that it inspired them to then create their second most popular range. We have the Vitamin C Face Mist. This mist is to refresh the skin that is feeling dull, tired and grumpy. Applied to the face, it instantly makes you feel energised and awake. As of the size, it is perfect to keep in your handbag for that little pick-me-up. We also have the Drops of Youth. Includes 99% natural ingredients and it protects the skin from pollution, absorbs into the skin fast and leaves it feeling healthier. It's also suitable for people with sensitive skin. The product I use regularly is the Tea Tree Mattifying Toner. Toner helps to remove any impurities and excess oil, and it leaves the skin feeling cleansed and refreshed. On to body care, the Hemp Hand Protector. It is an intensive hand moisturiser. Easily absorbs into the skin, leaving your hands feeling soft, smooth and conditioned. It's dermatologically tested and it helps prevent any dryness. Next up we have the Coconut Body Scrub. Body scrub is perfect for people with normal skin types. It's a gentle scrub which exfoliates and moisturises the skin. It contains coconut oil which helps to remove any dead skin cells, and it leaves the skin feeling soft and smooth and smelling delicious. With the body scrub, next we have the Coconut Body Butter. It is an intensive body butter. It absorbs into the skin quickly, making it feel conditioned, soft and smooth for 24 hours. We have the Moringa Body Scrub. Floral scrub is perfect for dull skin, removes any dead skin cells, and the rich and creamy texture leaves your skin feeling beautifully soft and refined. Scrub is luxurious with its sugary texture. We have the Pink Grapefruit Shower Gel. Summertime shower gel lathers up really well and cleanses and refreshes your skin, making it feeling softer, silkier and invigorated. If you have a sweet tooth like me, you will love the sweet fragrance of this shower gel. Last of the body care, we have the Almond Milk and Honey Body Butter. This buttery moisturiser hydrates the skin for 48 hours. It's perfect for people with tight, dry, extra dry or sensitive skin. It's dermatologically tested. Like that long-lasting silky smooth skin, then this body butter is for you. Next up, we're moving on to the makeup. So first we have the Soft Facial Cleansing Sponge. I have two brow products in this kit. So we have the Brow Sport and we also have the 3-in-1 Brow Sculpt. This eyebrow pen has a thin pen, also has a thick pen, and it also has a brow mascara. The Coconut Bronze Bronzing Powder. Also have the Super Volume Mascara. Lip products in this kit. We have the Pink Toned Liquid Lip. Beautiful warm pink. Then we have a 2-in-1 lipstick. This also can be used as a blusher. It is a lip and cheek stain. It is a more vibrant pink. Last but not least, we have the White Musk Perfume Oil. Thank you very much for watching, and if you would like to purchase any of the products I have shown today, please head over to my Body Shop at Home Facebook page and just give me a message. There is also other products that you can buy and Christmas gifts that you could purchase as well. Give this video a like and I'll see you in my next one.